What's up, guys? Gonna give it a second review on the Gripzilla Tornado. I found that as you use it, these end up twisting out. See? They twist out. It's pretty bad. So, I mean, I can't use it for more than really a few minutes without it coming apart. So what I'm gonna do is, I don't know, is I bought some thread lock, and we are going to, oh no, I need to cut this. Okay, 1 second. Actually, I think I got a knife right in here. No? Okay, 1 second. So what we're going to do is we are going to thread lock this. Whoa. So nice even coat around the whole bottom, and we will screw that in all the way. Just wipe off the excess. Wipe off this excess. Let that solidify, and that should fix our problem. So hopefully, but I don't think I'm going to be able to train with this today because I want that thread lock to lock all the way. So if you look, see how easy this is. Watch, this one's not thread locked. Watch how easy it just pops and it spins right out. Boop, like that, right? And so you can imagine as you're doing this, and you have like this motion, these tend to kind of wiggle out. I think it's not exactly a design flaw, but I would say if you bought this tool, a little bit of thread lock, preparing for a little bit of thread lock probably take you pretty far with this tool. So, see, nice even coat around the whole thing, and we can make it nice and tight. Wipe the excess off. And now we wait. I don't know how long this thread lock is supposed to take to cure, but clean, dry, with nozzle, apply. "20 minutes. Fully cured in 24 hours. So I'll have 24 hours that I can't train with this, 20 minutes is supposed to set. So I'm just gonna let it sit. I have been training with it regularly, and I've noticed, sorry, I just got done working tree work. I've noticed a lot of definition, a lot of forearm growth. I've noticed grip strength. I do tree work for a living, so as I'm climbing a tree, I can really feel the difference. It's only been a few days, so as a review, I think it's a great, just kind of like a sideline project. As I'm watching TV at night, I just boop, you know, couple rounds, and then I switch to the dynamo, and I do the dynamo, and I've noticed a big difference. It's only been about a week, but I can tell. My first day training it, I was really excited, and I trained it for probably 30 to 35 minutes, and I was wrecked. I couldn't train it the next day because my forearms were so sore. So I don't train it as hard as when I first got it, but I am consistently training it 5 to 10 minutes a day. I think that's what they recommend on the website. Hopefully I'll get to the point where I can train it for 30 or 40 minutes and I won't get as sore because I'm just building the strength. So I think all in all, we're probably sitting at 8.5, 9 out of 10. The price point was a big deterrent for me. I do think it's a valuable tool. I do think it's a beefy, you know, piece of equipment. I can see myself, I'm having a lot of fun with it. Now that I'm like learning different techniques and different exercises instead of just the dynamo, which, as much as I like the dynamo because it's just one motion, you know, it's very simple. This one is more fun to use, you know. It was kind of a lot of exploring at first, but I really enjoyed it. I have another grip training tool on the way, and so I'll be doing another video on that, and we'll see how that goes. Yeah.